Here's a helpful tip that might help you out cutting something straight more easier. Flange Wizard Tools makes a magnetic clamp that clamps onto your straight edge. Or if you don't have these, you can also use like angle iron, channel iron, or tubing, whatever you can use. The moisture out of it. Might help cut better. And all you do is just drag your tip, torch tip, right down it. This will help out if you got shaky hands. Yep. Guess I should have cleaned my tip before I made this video. Yeah, I don't like the way it's cutting back there. I might need to clean my tip, or I'm going to have a lot of cleanup. I hope this helps you out.